Hello our friend, today we'll unpack the Weeylite Ninja 300 portable 80-watt spotlight, install it, and at the end of the video, the Techscrew team will share their first impression about this video/photo spotlight light. For the opportunity to try this light, we have to say thanks to Shenzhen Ewing Technology, whose main brand is Viltrox. But today we'll meet their other brand, Weeylite. Shenzhen Ewing Technology brand specializes in photo and video equipment. You can see their products in more detail on their homepage. The link will be in the description. Techscrew team's oldest followers will remember the days when the videos were shot using only sunlight. Yes, indeed, we were dependent on the weather. Then came fluorescent CFL light bulbs, which were again replaced by standard outdoor LED floodlights, after which came the matching dimmable LED video lights. And now we got the Weeylite Ninja 300 COB spotlights to get the best result. Enough of the long speeches, let's get to unpacking the Ninja 300 light set. This portable spotlight set that we'll unpack today costs around $200, and of course that the price includes this carrying/storage bag. Time to see what we get when we buy this kit. It holds more stuff than you might think looking at it from outside, and everything fits securely in the bag. Of course, there is also the white powder, which is always a pleasure. Everything was in this one bag. What's in there? Shoulder strap bag, Weeylite spotlight, handle, battery carrier, remote control, bowen adapter, AC power adapter, lampshade reflector, and some paper. It is just a pity that the remote control doesn't come with batteries. But there is another package with powder. That's nice though. Build quality is complete. The handle grip is very pleasant in the hand, as are all the other components. The first impression is very good, better than we expected. Here's the most valuable component, the spotlight. Metal is used wherever necessary. The body is solid and robust. The kit also came with this lens. Does anyone know what to do with it? The spotlight is very easy to set up. You need a video light stand or a photo stand with a spigot adapter. Then loosen the screw, put the light on the tripod, and tighten the screw. By loosening the other screw, you can change the angle of the light and adjust it to your needs. This Weeylite Ninja 300 spotlight is equipped with an 80-watt COB LED chip or chip on board, which means that the LEDs are not replaceable, at least at the moment. It cannot be purchased separately and replaced in a DIY way, so we are careful and take good care of it. On the back of the light you'll find the DC power input, USB Type-C for firmware update, mode button, power on button, and rotary knob with push button function. Just plug in the DC power and we can turn it on. So simple. With the rotary knob we can simply change the brightness level of the light from 0%, which is off, to 100, which is max power. We were surprised how powerful it is. You definitely shouldn't look at it with your eyes, it can damage your vision. Putting on the bowen adapter is also as simple as attaching it to the spotlight. Removing the spotlight from the tripod and putting the adapter on the tripod and adjusting the angle as required. The bowen adapter is needed to be able to easily attach a photographic diffuser umbrella or softbox, which helps to create a soft diffused light. Anyway, if you want to use this Ninja 300 spotlight for the video or photo work, you'll need the light diffuser, otherwise the light will be hard with strong shadows. The spotlight itself can be controlled in 3 ways: by the buttons on the unit, by remote control, or conveniently with a mobile app from anywhere in the room via Bluetooth connection. The app is much convenient and faster than using the remote control or the buttons on the machine itself. The app becomes very easy to use when there are multiple lights. A good option is to divide the devices into channels and groups, so that the lighting of the room can be controlled by zones. Another feature of the spotlight is the 12 kinds of the lighting effects built in, which can be used with colored filters to achieve different effects, which can be used to realize your own cinematographic ideas. We haven't bought batteries yet, but it's a great opportunity to use this spotlight with batteries outdoors. Now you can shoot that long planned horror in the woods. We'll definitely use this light with photographic diffuser umbrella, which gives optimal results and compact dimensions. The existing light kit was too short. to give you an impressive system for a good presentation. Now this should no longer be a problem. That, in a nutshell, is what this light can do for you and for us. What then is our review or first impression? First of all, it is very positive. We are impressed by the good build quality and power. Many people are interested in how loud the fan is, because for this light the cooling is done by the fan. There is a small fan, and you can hear it if you put the microphone right up to the fan. It is quite audible, but overall it's no louder than a standard PC. If you want to film in complete silence, then you'll have to mod it by putting on a bigger fan or speed controller. But the good news is that you can turn the fan off, and if you're not filming for long or at maximum power, then some short silent moments can be filmed in complete silence. To cut a long story short, the main pros of this Ninja Spotlight are the high power, good build quality, and remote control options. The con could be the price, although this is debatable. Another thing, the fan could be an auto mode where it doesn't run at lower temperatures or wattages. That would be very cool. Maybe this can be implemented with a firmware update. Nothing else comes to the mind when using this light. Maybe you have some comments. We are waiting for your opinion below this video. As always, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you are a DIY person and want to follow our releases. Bye.